Hello, you are welcome to Madallah TV. I wish you happy listening. In the bustling market of Zango, a dusty traveler arrived. His clothes were worn, and his shoes barely held together. People stared and whispered, "A beggar, stay away, he has nothing to offer." Only young Fatima approached him with water and a smile. "You look tired," she said kindly. The man nodded, drank the water, and thanked her warmly. "You're the first to speak to me," he said. Later that evening, the village chief arrived with soldiers. "We are looking for the great healer from the north. He is said to travel in disguise." Gasps filled the air as the dusty traveler stepped forward, removed his scarf, and revealed the golden mark of the royal healer. The same people who had mocked him now bowed in shame. "Fatima." He smiled at her and said, "Because you saw with your heart, I will stay and teach you my secrets." Moral: true worth lies within, not in appearances. But don't forget to like and share the video. Goodbye.